So the legal team is shifting from searching for changes in regulation to judging the changes, whether they are relevant for Wealins. And this is a major shift for the way they were used to work. So, I'm Luc Rasschaert, I'm the CEO of Wealins. Wealins is the abbreviation of Wealth Insurer, which is what we do. We offer life insurance solutions to wealthy individuals across Europe and beyond. And we are part of Foyer Group, which is the #1 insurer in Luxembourg. Wealins has always been on the forefront of innovation. And legal AI, or AI in general, has been a point of attention for us. And then when we had this occasion to mentor LEGALFLY at the ACA Innovation Awards, we worked on a project regarding DORA regulation. And it was impressive to see that within a couple of hours, the team came up with a complete legal AI solution for DORA regulation. And there I saw the potential that LEGALFLY could offer not only to Wealins, but I think also to the whole life insurance industry here in Luxembourg. One of the major achievements that have been done over the last year, I would say, is the creation of a legal radar. As we are operating across Europe and beyond, we need to follow legislation in Switzerland, in Italy, in Sweden. And so our legal team is looking and monitoring websites and whatever. And now this work is being outsourced to LEGALFLY, and LEGALFLY is giving them the signals of changes in legislation. And so their work is shifting from searching to more judgment. I see that it makes them more efficient, but especially what I see also as a potential for our growth is that one legal person can, in the future, follow up different markets, whereas in the past he or she was, however, limited to 1 or 2 countries. They are less asking advice from law firms or fiscal advisors. They now ask the questions to LEGALFLY, so it reduces the billing of the questions that we ask them. It sparks curiosity from other departments as well. So we had our compliance team who are doing the AML and KYC checks, who are starting to use it as well. Mainly also because of the anonymization of documents that can be done by LEGALFLY. The operations teams, for the same KYC reasons, they are also starting to use it. And then very recently, to my own big surprise, we had our finance team who started using it because you recently added a feature with Excel files, and finance is now using LEGALFLY as well. My legal team told me that it could save them up to 20%, which is quite substantial for me. And let's see how it will evolve when other features become available.